Looking for a way to cook your favorite meals faster without sacrificing flavor or health? The Aria 2QT Premium Ceramic Air Fryer promises just that. This compact powerhouse reaches 400 degrees in seconds, using advanced air frying technology to cut cooking time dramatically compared to traditional ovens or microwaves. Plus, it reduces fat by up to 80% since you don't need extra oil or grease. Imagine crispy chicken wings, tender salmon, sautéed vegetables, or even rich desserts ready in minutes, all with less mess and fewer calories. I got this air fryer for my daughter when she started college, and it's been a game changer for her daily meals. She's cooked everything from fish to fries and even taquitos, and she loves how easy and fun it makes cooking. The design is sleek and compact, fitting perfectly on her countertop without taking up much space. What's more, the ceramic basket and crisping rack are dishwasher safe and free from PTFE, PFOA, and BPA, making cleanup simple and safe. The non-toxic, Teflon-free construction means no peeling or harmful fumes, just even heat and consistent results every time. What really sets the Aria apart are its user-friendly features. 2 precision dials let you adjust cooking time and temperature anytime during the process, giving you full control without any hassle. It even comes with an extended full-color cookbook, packed with exclusive recipes from the champions of ABC's family food fight, including vegan and keto options from TV chef Mario Fabri. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, this guide helps you get started right away and keeps your meals exciting. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with an appliance that combines speed, health benefits, and convenience, the Aria 2QT Premium Ceramic Air Fryer is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone juggling a busy schedule who still wants delicious, homemade meals. Plus, with a lifetime warranty and responsive customer service, you can cook with confidence knowing you're backed by a brand that stands behind its product. Try it when you're ready to enjoy endless culinary adventures with less fat and more flavor.